In a terrifying sequence of Islamic terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir in the last few days, there has been an unrelenting assault by Pakistan-based militants who are targeting both civilians and security personnel, wreaking havoc since the past 3 days. In the latest of the worrisome rise in terror violence in the area, the security forces neutralized one terrorist in exchange of firing with security forces inside the Sukhal village after 6 people, including 5 soldiers, were injured when militants attacked a joint checkpoint of police and security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district on Tuesday night. Speaking on the terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, ADGP Anand Jain said, Pakistan is a hostile neighbor that tries to disrupt the peace of the region.
ये हमारा एक हॉस्टाइल नेबर है जिसके यहाँ पर जो पीसफुल हमारा सारा एनवायरनमेंट है उसको डैमेज करने के लिए उसकी हमेशा कोशिश ये रहती है। तो लिहाजा ये जो इन्फिल्ट्रेशन है ये अपीयर टू बी फ्रेश इन्फिल्ट्रेशन और जैसे एक आतंकवादी मारा गया दूसरे की भी सर्च जारी है।
A day earlier, terrorists targeted Saida Sukhal village in the Kathua district, Kuta Mode in the Hiranagar sector near the border, resulting in fatalities and injuries. Security personnel immediately confronted the militants, bringing attention to the constant threat that border villages suffer. This attack came the very next day of the terror attack in Riyasi, where terrorists belonging to the Resistance Front, a part of the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist group, targeted a bus that was carrying Hindu pilgrims from the Shiv Khori temple to Katra. Following 100 rounds of gunshots, the bus lost control, falling into a gorge, claiming the lives of 10 civilians and injuring 41 other pilgrims. The vicious act has caused anger and sadness across the country. In this regard, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it clear to his Pakistani counterpart Shehbaz Sharif and former Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif that for India, the security of its citizens continues to be the country's top priority. Reiterating a similar stance, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar asserted that India is looking for a solution to the persistent and decade-long issue of cross-border terrorism harboring from Pakistan. The attacks have drawn widespread condemnation from leaders across the political spectrum, with pledges of swift action against the perpetrators echoing from Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Union Minister Ramdas Athavale. Ramdas Athavale has released a strong statement condemning the attacks as premeditated and threatening dire repercussions if they continue. He asserted that if Pakistan-sponsored terrorism persists in Jammu and Kashmir, India must think of initiating a war with Pakistan if need arises. The volatile situation in Jammu and Kashmir highlights the complex security problems affecting the region as security personnel continue to work to restore peace and bring the criminals to justice. However, the rugged topography and fragile borders of Jammu and Kashmir give terrorists cover, facilitating their evil actions. Owing to the rugged terrain, the Pakistan-based terrorists are able to launch attacks and effectively elude from being detained.